Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel. My name is Racquel and I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 60-second video. So if you're anything like me, by now you're probably pulling out your hair over NaNoWriMo. You might be wondering why you put yourself through this, or maybe you even feel like giving up. Well, this video is to remind you to go back to your why. Something I teach all the time in our accountability program is to channel that inner feeling you get when you think about why you started a project, why you want to write this book, and then hold on to that feeling. Anytime you feel like quitting, go back to it. I would even suggest writing it down and maybe pinning it to your computer screen or a wall that's near your desk or workspace, and then you have a constant reminder of why you want to finish your project. Trust me, you can do this. All right, happy NaNoWriMo everybody, hang in there, you got this. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share depending on where you're watching. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.